Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Wise app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app, and now once you open it, you will be able to see the interface of the Wise apps on the screen. So now you can see there is a get started at the bottom of this section, so let's tap on the get started. And now you can see there is a three option in here. First one is login, another one is register, and last one is login with Face ID. So if you have already enabled your Face ID login, then just tap on the login with Face ID and yeah, you'll be able to log in successfully, but once you verify yourself. So for now, let me tap on the login to show you a demo. And you can see it is asking us for our email address and our password. So once you complete your credentials, just tap on the login and you will be able to log in successfully. And by chance, if you have forgotten your login password, then just tap on the trouble login in and you need to verify yourself and complete more formalities. So once you verify yourself, you'll be able to log in successfully. And finally, there is a three more login options just down below of this page. First one is Apple, another one is Facebook, and last one is Google. So you can choose any of the account from here to log in with your Wise account. So for now, let me tap on the Face ID icon because I have already enabled my Face ID login. So let me tap on it. So now you can see once I verify myself, I will be able to log in successfully in the Wise app. So basically, this is how you can log into your Wise app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.